Hello and welcome to Housey, your trusted platform for connecting home buyers directly with builders. At Housey, we make your home buying journey seamless, transparent and hassle-free. Today we bring to you an exclusive insight into one of India's most iconic real estate developers, the Hiranandani Group. From their inspiring journey to their landmark achievements, we will cover it all. So let's get started. First one is builder overview. Hiranandani Group has been one of the most premium real estate developers in India with more than 40 years of experience in the business. The Hiranandani Group was established in the year 1978 by Dr. Niranjan Hiranandani and Surendra Hiranandani, and since then they have revolutionized the Indian real estate landscape. For all of you who don't know, it was Hiranandani Group who has transformed the deserted land of Powai into integrated township, which is also known as Silicon Valley of Mumbai. Overall, the Hiranandani Group has constructed and delivered about 48 million square feet of real estate, including 35 million square feet for residential properties and nearly 14 million square feet for commercial and retail properties in Powai, Panvel, Thane, Chennai, Ahmedabad and Pune. Till now, Hiranandani Group has successfully delivered over 26,000 plus homes. Behind every great company are visionary leaders. Let us now have a brief about the founder leaders. First is Dr. Niranjan Hiranandani. He is the co-founder and the managing director of Hiranandani Group. Dr. Niranjan Hiranandani started his career as an accounting teacher. In 1981, he started his first business, a textile weaving unit in Kandivali. In 1985, he along with his brother, Mr. Surendra Hiranandani, bought 250 acres land in Powai and started the real estate business under the name Hiranandani Gardens. He also completed his doctorate in philosophy, and that is why we call him Dr. Niranjan Hiranandani. In June 2021, he was ranked by Forbes among the 100 richest Indians with a net worth of $1.6 billion. Let us now have a look at Mr. Surendra Hiranandani. Surendra Hiranandani, the co-founder and a stalwart in architecture, ensures the perfect harmony of aesthetics and functionality in every Hiranandani project. Together, they have created a legacy of excellence. Let us now have a look at Hiranandani's presence in different cities. The Hiranandani Group has made its mark across India with prominent projects in Mumbai, Thane, Pune, Bangalore, Chennai, Ahmedabad. Wherever they go, they redefine urban living and set new benchmarks in quality and design. Now we will move on to the completed projects by Hiranandani Group. The Hiranandani Group has an impressive portfolio that spans both residential and commercial spaces. First, let us have a look at the residential projects. First is Hiranandani Gardens Powai, a 250 acres luxurious integrated township having 50 plus residential towers, 2 schools, 3 clubhouses and 1 hospital. Second is Hiranandani Estate Thane, sprawling over 250 acres. It features 120 towers with more than 12,000 families already residing. Third one is One Hiranandani Park, Thane, known for its grandeur and elegance. Fourth, Hiranandani Heritage, Kandivali West, Mumbai. Fifth, Hiranandani Fortune City, Panvel. Let us now have a look at the commercial and retail projects. Hiranandani Business Park, Powai. Hiranandani Signature Gift City, a state-of-the-art commercial tower in Gujarat. The Walk, Thane. Let us now see the Hiranandani Awards and recognition. With decades of excellence, the Hiranandani Group has become synonymous with trust and quality. Let's take a look at their achievements. Marketing Innovation of the Year, Real Estate and Business Excellence Awards 2023. Residential Project of the Year West, Construction Week India Awards 2022 for Castle Rock, Powai. Developer of the Year Residential, Realty Plus Conclave and Excellence Awards 2020. National Builder 2020, awarded to Dr. Niranjan Hiranandani by CWAB. Let us now discuss few facts about the Hiranandani Group. Beyond real estate, Hiranandani Group is in two different verticals such as Hiranandani is involved in the education sector through several schools and institutions including Hiranandani Foundation School, Pavai, Triveni Academy, Chennai, HFS International, Pavai, Hiranandani Foundation School, Thane, Hiranandani Trust School, Panvel. Healthcare. Hiranandani is also in healthcare sector having two state-of-art hospitals, Dr. L.H. Hiranandani Hospital, Pavai and Hiranandani Hospital, Thane. Hospitality sector. Hiranandani offers hospitality services in its townships, including hotels and eco-hotels. Meluha The Fern, a 5-star hotel in Pavai, Mumbai. That is the only hotel in the world to be both Ecotel certified and LEED Gold rated. Rodas. Rodas, a 3-star Ecotel boutique hotel in Mumbai that offers a comfortable stay and memorable hospitality. Data center parks. The Hiranandani Group is involved in several data center projects including Yota Data Services, Hyperscale Data Center Park in West Bengal, Chennai Data Center Campus, and many more. That's a wrap on our detailed overview of the Hiranandani Group. If you are planning to invest in a property by the iconic developer, visit Housey to explore their projects. At last, to watch more such builder reviews, new launch teaser videos and sample flat tours, do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to our channel Housey.